Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable information on all things finance. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the stock market. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of investing, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started in the stock market. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's clarify what the stock market is. In simple terms, the stock market is a platform where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It's a place where you can potentially grow your wealth by investing in businesses you believe in. Now, let's move on to the first step. Step 1. Setting clear goals. Setting clear investment goals is crucial before entering the stock market. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it retirement, a down payment for a house, or perhaps funding your child's education? By defining your goals, you'll have a better understanding of your investment time horizon and risk tolerance. Remember, different goals require different investment strategies. So take your time to figure out what you want to achieve with your investments. Step 2. Educate yourself. Education is the foundation of successful investing. Start by learning the basics of the stock market, such as key terms, types of investments, and the factors that influence stock prices. There are numerous resources available online, including books, articles, and even online courses. Make use of these resources to enhance your knowledge. Additionally, consider following reputable financial news outlets and subscribing to educational YouTube channels to stay updated on market trends and investment strategies. Step 3. Understand risk and reward. Investing in the stock market comes with both risks and rewards. It's essential to understand that the stock market can be volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Higher returns often come with higher risks. It's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your comfort level. Diversification is key. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across various sectors and asset classes. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may compensate for it. Step 4. Choose a brokerage account. To invest in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. A brokerage account is like a gateway to the market, allowing you to buy and sell stocks. Do thorough research to find a reputable brokerage firm that offers the features you need, such as low fees, user-friendly platforms, and research tools. Once you've chosen a brokerage account, follow the necessary steps to open and fund your account. Each platform has its own requirements, so make sure to provide the necessary documents and deposit sufficient funds to start investing. Step 5. Research and select investments. Now comes the exciting part, researching and selecting investments. Start by focusing on companies that you understand and whose products or services you believe in. Look for stable financials, strong management teams, and competitive advantages. There are several fundamental and technical analysis tools available to help you evaluate stocks. Fundamental analysis involves assessing a company's financial health, while technical analysis focuses on historical price patterns. Use a combination of these tools to make informed investment decisions. Step 6. Start investing. Congratulations! You're now ready to invest in the stock market. Begin by investing in a few carefully selected stocks or consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for diversification. Remember, patience and a long-term perspective are key to successful investing. Stay updated with your investments and periodically review your portfolio. As your knowledge and experience grow, you can make adjustments and explore more advanced investment strategies. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting started in the stock market. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, so always do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor if needed. We hope this video has provided you with the necessary information to embark on your investment journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Happy investing!